Good morning, students. Today we will start the new topic, that is decimal form of rational number. So, see, this is the rational number given 5 by 6. We have to convert this rational 5 by 6 into decimal form. So, to convert into a decimal form, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator 6. So, you know that 5 is less than 6. So, it is not decimal. So, put a 0, put a point, take a 0. So, 6 8 is 48. Very nearest. Minus 48, 49, 50. 2 is the remainder. Yes. So, once we put the point, we can take a 0 at every step. Now, 6 3 is 18. Minus again 2 is the remainder. Yes. So again take a 0. 6 3 is 18. Again 2 is the remainder. Again take a 0. 6 3 is 18 minus 2 is the remainder. So you can see that every time 2 is the remainder, 2 is the remainder. So that means this 3, the answer is, the decimal form is 0.83333. It is recurring. So this is called as the recurring decimal form of rational number. So this 5 by 6 is equal to as 0.8333333. It's recurring. Yes. So therefore we can also write it as 0.83 recurring, giving a bar, or it is also equal to, we can write it this way form, 0.83, just a point on the number which is recurring. So this is the decimal form of, this is decimal recurring form. This is decimal recurring form of a rational number. So one more example, example 2. It is not necessary that every time it will give you the high recurring form only. So I have taken an example as minus 7 by 8. Now, look at this one. 7 is divided by 8. So, again 7 is less than 8. Take a 0, put the point and take a 0. 8 8s are 64, very near. So 6 is the remainder here. Okay. So now take, already I put a pointer, so you can take a 0. So 8 7s is 56. 8 7s is 56. Now 4 is the remainder. Now you can take a 0. So 8 5s are 40 minus 0 0. We got the remainder as 0. So therefore here we can say that minus 7 by 8 is equal to, its decimal form is minus, because this is a negative decimal number. So negative rational number. So therefore the decimal form also will be negative. It's minus 0.875. It's a terminating decimal form, because we got remainder as 0. Terminating decimal form of rational number. Now let us learn the next topic, that is simplification or simplify. See, the order of the sign when simplifying an expression are called simplification. Now, see here, we have the BRODMAS rules. You have learnt about maybe broad mass rules in the primary classes. See, B indicates for brackets, means we have to first open the brackets. Then O indicates of multiplication. See, find value of when we say find value of, like value of, that is 1/4 of 20. Of means here multiplication, so 1/4 multiplied by 20, 4 ones are 4 5 are 20, so the value is 5. In this way, this type of multiplication is called as of multiplication. So after opening the brackets, we have to do of multiplication. Then our next step is division. If there is any division in this question, then we have to do division. Then comes next step is multiplication. Next step comes addition and subtraction from right to left, whatever comes. This is the broad mass rules. This is called as broad mass rules. Now, if there are many brackets in the simplification, as like this question I have given, see, there are different types of brackets we have to open in a simplification. So first comes this one, that is bar bracket. Here you can see I have written a bar bracket. Then comes, this is called as the round bracket. This is called as the brace bracket, or it is also called as flower bracket. Then comes the box bracket, or it is called as the square bracket or the box bracket. So these type of different brackets we have to open one by one to simplify a given question. Now, very simple simplification you have learnt in your primary class. To recall, let us solve only one question. Just this type of simplification. See, 2 multiplied by 15 divided by 3 plus 7 minus 2. So, in this simplification, we have got the operations of multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, the order you see, that is of multiplication is not there. That means this multiplication is there. So, you can see that first we have to do division, then multiplication, then addition, subtraction, and so on. So that we can do from left to right in what order it comes. Now see, so we have to do division first. So the remaining part from her left side or right side, it must be the same until we do this division in the next step. So it is 2 multiplied by 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then after that you write as it is, plus 7 minus 2. Now next step comes in this multiplication, addition, subtraction. So multiplication comes first. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 7 minus 2. So from left to right, now first comes addition. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 2, this is equal to as 15. So we got to the we have simplified this question. Now we will simplify using the brackets, this type of. So first of all, equal to sign must be there. Now in this bracket, in this question you can see that there is square bracket, open and closed one. Then brace or the flower bracket, open and closed. Round bracket, open and closed. And you have a bar bracket inside the round bracket. So first of all, we have to take out the bar bracket. To remove the bar bracket, we have to, under the bar bracket, whatever given, you have to simplify it. So this is equal to as 24 plus the remaining part, right, as it is. So 24 plus open box bracket, 7 plus open brace bracket, round bracket is open. Now solve this bar bracket. So what is given? 3 minus 1 is 2. So when we solve it, the bracket can be removed. Then what is there? Write as it is. Into 4, close the round bracket, plus 2, close the brace bracket, minus 5, close the square bracket, plus 15. Now, go to the next step. Now comes the round bracket. To open the round bracket, so this is equal to this remaining part, write it as it is, plus 7 open box brackets, 7 plus open brace bracket. Now comes round bracket. So solve it. 2 4 is 8. So your round bracket is removed. Plus 2 is there. Brace bracket closed. Minus 5. Box bracket closed. Plus 50. Now next comes the brace bracket to solve this. So it is 24 plus open box bracket plus 7. Then plus this you have to solve it. 8 plus 2 is there. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Now the flower bracket or the brace bracket is gone. Next what is there? Minus 5. Close the box bracket plus 15 is there. Now open the to open this box bracket here there are two steps, two operations. So one by one you do it, and then at last when you get only one solution for this, that time you can take out the box bracket. So now see, 7 plus 10 is equal to 70 minus 5. Close it and plus 15. In the next step here, 24 plus. Now 17 minus 5 is how much? 12. Now I can open this box bracket. It is 12 plus 15. Now we have got very simple simplification with only operation of addition. So add this to 24 plus 12 is 36 plus again 15. So this is equal to 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 51. So the solution is 51. So this is the rules to open the brackets. Now let us solve one more simplification, which is the last question of this chapter. And our last question which I am solving in this chapter, it is taken from practice set 25, fourth question. I have taken this question because it is given in a little different way. You can see that the previous question which I gave, I removed the first the bar bracket, then round bracket, then brace bracket, and then square bracket. But here brace bracket is given very outside and square bracket is given inside. So whatever given inside brackets must be solved before. So let us start solving. So this one you can see round brackets 2 times it is there. So first round brackets you remove it, then we'll go to this square bracket and then last with the brace bracket. So this you solve it, you get 220 minus 140 directly. So it will be 0 minus 0 is 0. Here borrow 1 here, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 4 is 8. So 80 is the solution. The round bracket is gone. So write the remaining square bracket 10 multiply by 9 plus solve this round bracket plus into minus into plus is minus 2 5 is 10. Close it. Close the square bracket. Close the brace bracket minus 100. Now here again round bracket is left. So this round bracket we will solve it. Remaining write it as it is. 80 plus square bracket 10 into 9 plus it minus is minus 10, and so the round bracket is gone. Close the square bracket, close the brace bracket minus 100. Now here brace bracket open 80 plus, here there are two operations in the square bracket. So we will write the one by one, we will solve it and then we can finally remove the square bracket. So 10 9 is 90. Multiplication and subtraction given. So multiplication should be done first. 10 9 is 90. 90 minus 10. Close the brace bracket minus 100. Now here it is equal to square bracket solve and remove it. 80 plus 90 minus 10 is plus 80. Plus into plus plus 80. Then brace bracket close minus 100. So again this is equal to, now open the brace brackets. 80 plus 80 is 160 minus 100. This will give you as 60. So this is the solution of the simplification.